We have talked about range function. Well, range is very important function in Python programming language. So in this video, I want to talk about another function, which is enumerate. Well, it is also important, but not like range, because in Python, everywhere we can use the range. So in for loop, in well, many times we can use that. So enumerate is also an important function. Let's have a look here how it looks. For example, let's have for char and enumerate. See, its color is changed. So when I open the bracket, it tells that iterable. So you have to add some iterables. So you have known about the iterable, as I told you, that iterable which, well, we can iterate over. So it can be a string, it can be a list, it can be a tuple, well, it can be a dictionary. So we have talked about iterable. Now it tells that just provide some iterables like hello. So we have provided some iterables. Well, when I entered here, the cursor is somewhere which it needed some indentation for character and enumerate. Well, it's not the complete one. It is not the complete which it should be. And I want to complete this as for I in character. So one thing is left, I must tell that an iterable object, it takes and it gives you an index counter. Well, for loop, we have started here and I've talked about the for loops. And enumerate takes an iterable object and it gives you an index counter. How it looks. Well, let's have this. Print I and character. So if I want to print this, well, it has printed something for me on the console. Well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hello, this is what iterable is. Now it can take a list. How it looks with a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I run once again, so it has shown all the things which is required. Well, it can take a tuple, a dictionary. So enumerate is very useful if you need the index counter of the item that you are looping through. So we need the index and we need the number or the character or anything. We just have the variable. So that's the time we need the enumerate. We use that. Let's clear the console. And well, for example, we want to find an index and we just, I want to have another example and very clear, which I use the range as well. For I, character and enumerate, and I want to have the list and range of 100. Well, I want to minimize this a little. 100. So I just tell that if character is 50, because we have learned about the conditional, the if conditional and conditional logic. So we can find the index of 50. How to find that? So we have the range of 100 and we have the list here. We have converted it into list and we have used a conditional logic, like if character is equal to 50, what should you do? Just print. And I've talked about if formatting. So index is, well, index of 50 as, well, I. we have here. And let me print this. Let's check either it prints the 50 or not. Well, yeah, the index of 50 as 50. So it prints all the thing what we want it. Now, for example, if I print something out of the loop or in the loop, how it looks. I and character. Let me check this. Yes. So if you see that the index here is mentioned, index of 50 is 50. Well, it looks very nice. Looks great because we have the list here and we have the range of 100 and we have used the enumerate and a condition we have used here. So, well, when you hover this class enumerate, it trivial, it needs this. It is a very, very important function. We have to understand and we have to use this in our Python programming or Python when we make big projects, when we make big applications. So you have to understand this completely.